So I just traded today on CPI, and let me show you what I saw today. Coming to New York session, this is the 8 a.m. 1 hour candle. I'm just gonna mark out the CPI data highs, data lows on all of the assets. So here on the ES and the NQ, we already took the all-time highs. There's nothing to trade towards to the left side, but on the YM we have these all-time highs here not being taken. Or this is our also daily ERL, potentially really good target, and also the CPI data highs in super close proximity to that, so that makes it really good draw for me. And then after that I just dropped on 30-minute chart. This is 9 a.m. candle, so we have this displacement higher on all of our assets. And for me to engage in the mechanical, I need some sort of manipulation into the key level, internal or external. And in this case, I'm using this 30-minute internal or for value gap. So potentially I was looking to price to retrace, and then we can continue towards the all-time high. So I was only looking to trade YM because of the high time frame drawn liquidity, this daily external range liquidity. And the only thing that I didn't like today is how the daily candle printed so far. So here on the YM, this is the daily candle. So we don't have any wick being made here, no manipulation, no daily low being made, like protected swing potentially that we can trade away from. Either just smooth edges, the London low, Asia low, and this 6 p.m. candle open without any manipulation being made. On the regular day, like non-CPI day, I would not trade longs because of that reason, because it just makes so for me low probability. Like I don't want to trade away from smooth edges, I want to trade towards them. But because it's CPI, because this data high is really good draw, and because how we have printed so far, um, I'm still trading on CPI. It's not my A plus trade. I just risked on it like a B trade for me. So that was my draw. So I am bullish thus far, and then I was just monitoring the 1 minute chart, and let's see how 9:30 opened. So here, what we have here, so we kind of after the CPI candle, we just consolidated here, and then 9:30 manipulates the range. So we do have this SMT at that range low. So for me to confirm the lower time frame reversal, right, or for me to enter, I do need to have a key level, internal or external, which in this case this 30-minute gap, and then I do need SMT at that key level, and then I need the down close candle that tapped into a key level being closed through, and then I can engage. So if we're gonna close through this down close candle, that will confirm the change in the state for me. That will be my entry technique. So, and if it's gonna get confirmed like here, then I can engage and enter. So this candle, this 934 candle closes through, and for me that's valid here. So I'm just gonna mark it enter here. On the confirmation, I don't use the, if I can squeeze like more than 1.5 R towards my all-time high draw, which I can't here, I'm just gonna mark it enter. I don't want to do like limits here like that. Lots of times it's not gonna give me a retest. So as of that, my analysis, I just want to position myself towards the draw. That's what I did. So here then the CPI high got taken, and after that I moved my stop loss to break even. Just a valid trade management for me. I almost got break even here, and then it kind of edged here, and then we took the all-time highs on the YM. So next look for me potentially was to trade back into the range, like potentially to the CPI low here, CPI low, and also ES and NQ. There's no like London lows, Asia lows, just smooth edges here. So that will be a good intraday draw for me as well. And then like on the ES, for example, here, they kind of changing the state lower. And we do have SMT at this point. But I wouldn't enter here because it's like all-time highs here. I don't want to trade. I don't want to take the reversal entry like on change in state. I would trade something like a continuation auto block if you're just starting to expand lower, like like on the retest into like fair value gap. I would enter and then target the um, Asia lows, London lows, stuff like that. But let's see what we have so far. So far, we just not doing much, just consolidating on Q, on ES, and then YM just expands higher. I don't have the draw, I don't have the target to the upside, so probably the only trade that I'm gonna take today, which was for me valid and good. So that's how I traded today. Thank you.